Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on the Motorola Edge 13 Neo. So to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find the Firefox. Select it and then download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Now customize it, so pick a theme, change toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings. You can sign up to synchronize Firefox between other devices. And lastly, read the privacy notice. When everything is done, you'll be able to click on Start Browsing, go for a website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.